Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can make basic 3D text animations in After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So hope you guys will find the tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button to share this content, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So further without any ado, let's begin today's video. So here we are in After Effects. Now let's start this by creating a new composition. So for that, click on this new composition, come to this preset options. So here I am selecting this HD1080, which is a full HD resolution with a frame rate of 24 and duration of 6 seconds. Hit OK. So now let's start this by creating a background layer. So go to this layer options, new, select solid. Let me rename this to BG and make it of comp size and hit OK. So now come to this effects and presets. If you are not finding this panel here, come to this window and enable effects and presets and look for gradient ramp, such as ramp here. So select this gradient ramp and drop it onto this background layer. So in start color, I'll choose somewhat like this blue. Okay, and end color, I'll take black. Select your preferred colors here, and ramp size, I will change this to radial, and I will increase this ramp scattering here a bit. Nice. Okay, so now let's input our text. So here we are using two text here, so we need to create two text layers. So go to this layer options, new, select text here, or else you can directly click on this text icon and input your text. So here I will be using this never one, and I will enter another text like give up. Okay, so here we got these two text layers. So let me increase this pixel to 100 and this also to 100. Okay, nice. So now let's create a solid layer for element 3. So go to this layer options once again, new, select a solid. So I will rename this as element now and hit OK. So again come to effects and presets panel. So let me come to here, enable it. Okay, so here search as element. So this is third party plugin from Video Copilot. We need to download and install it separately. So select this element and drop it onto this element layer. Okay, so if you want, we can hide out this text now. Now select this element layer, come to this custom layer options, expand this custom text and mask. So in path layer 1, I will select this never text, and in path layer 2, I will select this give up text. So in path layer 1, never is there, and in path layer 2, give up text is there. So now click on this scene setup. So here you can see we got a new window to work in Element 3D. So when we click on this extrude button, you can see we got our text which is in path layer 1. So in path layer 1 we got never text, so we got that one. So here if you want to add any extra bevels, you can do that, or else you can come to this presets, bevels. Here you will get some already available presets. You can select them and simply drop them onto the text. So now we need to have another text which is in group 2. So for that, right click on this extrusion model and duplicate that one. Now select this second one and in custom path change it to custom path 2. So you'll get this give up text also. Let me show you. So here you can see we got this give up text also. So here you can see both these text are in group 1. So let me select this second text and let me bring it out of that group and let me change this group to 2. Okay. So in group 1 we got never text, and in group 2 we got this give up text. So let me place this here only. So here we can change the environment of the scene. So click on this environment button, and from here we can select any of the environment you want. So if I select this and open, you can see it affects the text also. So select the environment which you want. So I think this would be fine. Okay, nice. Now hit OK. So here you can see we got our text here. So in order to view this in 3D space, we need to create a camera layer. So go to this layer option and new create a camera and hit OK. Now select this camera tool, and now you can see this text in 3D space. So let me zoom it up here a bit. So my PC is struggling here. So here you can see we can view our text in 3D space. So now let's see how we can animate this text here. So select this element layer once again. So in group 1 we got that never text, and in group 2 we got give up text. Okay, so come to this group 1 options, expand it, particle look. So in particle look, you can increase the scaling of the text if you want. So I will increase this to 15. Okay, and scroll down to this multi-object options, expand it and enable multi-object. So repeat same for this group 2 also. So come to this group 2, expand it. So particle look size, I will increase this to 15. This one also nice. Come to this multi-object and enable multi-object for this also. Okay, so now let's see how we can animate this text here. So here we will get this animation engine option, expand it and enable it. Okay, so now you can see the start group is set to group 1 and finish group is set to group 2. So here the never text will be starting and ending text will be give up. So if I increase this percentage here, you can see the text will be varying. So let me add some keyframes. So move forward like 1 second in timeline and enable a keyframe for this animation, and again move 1 second forward and let me change this to 100%. Okay, so if I play this, you can see we got this kind of text animation here. So here you can change the kind of animation you want. So if I change this to radial, we'll get some different animation. So let me show you. Okay, we will get this kind of animation. So here we can see we have set this kind of angle here. Nice. So now scroll down, come to this render settings, expand this ambient occlusion and enable ambient occlusion so that we'll get some nice occlusion here, and increase the value to 8. Okay, so in this way we can create this kind of basic 3D text animation in After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.